With the Manitowoc Ice app, diagnosing and servicing your machine has never been easier. This video shows how the app puts real-time insights and service resources right at your fingertips, helping you work faster, reduce guesswork, and get machines back up and running with confidence. Get instant visibility into how your machine is performing so you can diagnose issues quickly, make informed decisions, and avoid unnecessary downtime. Start at the home screen for quick navigation. Head to the Service tab for all machine insights. Here, you'll see real-time data like freeze time, temperatures at key points, and input-output status, so you know exactly what your machine is doing. Use the Data History tab to review past operating cycles and performance trends, helping you understand how the machine has been running over time and pinpoint potential issues faster. The Clean History tab helps you stay on top of routine maintenance by showing when cleaning cycles were last performed, so you can ensure proper care and keep the machine running at its best. Return to the menu and select the Alerts tab to see past machine alerts to gain further insight into any machine issues. When you need answers fast, the app connects you to the right resources, helping you complete servicing efficiently and with confidence. Access technician handbooks, installation guides, and parts breakdowns. No paper copies needed. Need help? Tap Connect Us to send a message to the Manitowoc Ice Support team. With real-time data, built-in diagnostics, and easy-access resources, the Manitowoc Ice app makes servicing faster, smarter, and stress-free.